In problem number 2, here we are finding some equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. So we have this given equation 3x plus 4y equals 2, and then we've got a point 5 comma 3. So first we need to find the slope of the given line. So take that 3x plus 4y equals 2 and solve for y. So let's see, let's go ahead and subtract 3x on both sides. Let's go ahead and move this 2 over. So these guys will cancel. We've got 4y left is equal to negative 3x plus 2. And then we want to go ahead and divide off that 4 all the way across. So then these guys cancel. So you've got y equals negative 3/4 x and then plus 1/2. So that's the given line. And it's got a slope of negative 3/4. So when we find the equation of the parallel line, the slope is going to be the same. So parallel, our slope is going to be negative 3/4. And then our point is 5 comma 3. So that's going to be an x and a y. So then we can start with point slope equation, y equals mx plus b. And then we know our slope is negative 3/4, so we can plug that in for m. So negative 3/4 x plus b. And then we can plug our xy, 5 comma 3, plug our point in and solve for b because we know that point's on the line, so it has to work in the equation. So 3 is y out here, and that's got to equal negative 3/4 times our x coordinate of 5 plus b. So we've got 3 equals negative, let's see, 3 times negative 15/4 plus b. So then add 15/4 to both sides. This will come over as a positive. So our b is going to be 3 plus 15/4. And then we can get an LCD between these, or you can do it on the calculator. Either way, it'll be fine. So multiply top and bottom by 4. So 3 is the same as 12/4 plus 15/4. And that's 27/4. So then we can plug that in here, and we will have our desired equation. So y is going to be equal to negative 3/4 x and plus 27/4. So then the perpendicular, let's go ahead and do that one. So our perpendicular slope is going to be the negative reciprocal. So I'm going to write m with a little perpendicular symbol. So we are going to take that negative 3/4, we're going to flip it and then change the sign. So that'll be positive 4/3. So there's our slope. And now we can go ahead and plug into y equal mx plus b again. So this will now be 4/3 x plus b. And then again, we will plug in our point 5 comma 3 to get our y-intercept b. So y is equal to 3 equals 4/3 times the 5 plus b. So 3 is going to equal 4 times 5, 20/3 plus b. So now we'll subtract 20/3 on both sides. That'll come over here as a negative. So our b is going to be 3 minus 20/3. And let's go ahead and multiply here top and bottom by 3 to get a common denominator. So that's now 9 thirds minus 20 thirds. So negative 11 thirds. And now we can plug that guy in here. So our perpendicular equation will be y equals 4 thirds x and minus 11 thirds.